Here are 3 fun facts you probably don't know about mules. Number 3. Mules are mighty workers. Known for strength and sure-footedness, mules have been indispensable in agriculture, transportation, and military tasks throughout history. Number 2. Mules are hybrid marvels. Mules are the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse, showcasing a unique blend of both species. Number 1. Sterile steeds. Mules are typically sterile due to the mismatch in chromosome numbers between donkeys and horses.